You search for how to buy shares of Landstar System Inc. Landstar is a logistics and freight transportation company traded on NASDAQ under the ticker LSTR. This is for educational purposes and not financial advice. You need a broker to trade, and I will use eToro as an example to demonstrate the process. After registering, you must verify your account. Verification usually requires an identity document and add funds before you can buy. Use the platform search bar and type the ticker LSTR to find the listing. Select the result that matches Landstar System Inc. to open the correct stock page. On the stock page, you will see basic company information and a price chart for reference. Confirm the company name and ticker to ensure it is the correct Landstar System Inc. listing. To invest, click Buy, enter the amount you want to invest, then carefully review and confirm the order before submitting. If the market is closed, the order may be queued until it opens. And if you lack sufficient funds, the platform will prompt you to add money before final confirmation. Your new position will appear in your portfolio after the trade is executed. Check the description below for a link to eToro if you want to visit the platform mentioned in this tutorial.